Hello, welcome to the session on the procedure of shampooing. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to prepare the client for shampooing, follow the right procedure to shampoo the hair. The materials required for shampooing are cotton as per need, 1 bottle of shampoo, 1 plastic bowl, coconut oil, almond oil, or any oil of choice as per need. One bottle of conditioner. Towels as per need. Salon sink. As you know, for a perfect hair care, it is very important to shampoo the hair from time to time, and you must be doing it. Let's look at how to prepare the client for the shampooing procedure. Welcome the client and guide them to the shampoo station. Ensure they are comfortable and ready for the shampooing service. Assist the client in removing any accessories or jewelry that may interfere with the shampooing process, such as earrings, necklaces, or hair clips. Place a towel or neck strip around the client's neck to protect their clothing from getting wet during the shampooing process. Then, begin with oiling the hair, as some clients might prefer to oil the hair right before shampooing. This is optional. If preferred, use any oil of choice or a blend of oils in a small bowl. For best results, heat the oil using double boiler method by placing the bowl in hot water to heat the oil. Dip the cotton ball in the lukewarm oil and apply it on scalp, sectioning the hair. Leave it for about 10 minutes for the scalp to absorb the oil. Let's now look at the right procedure to shampoo your client's hair for the best results. Position the client comfortably in the shampoo chair, ensuring their head is properly supported by the sink and their neck is not strained. It is recommended to wash the hair thoroughly with clean water before shampooing. Ensure that the water is neither cold nor hot. So, use only lukewarm water to wash the hair. Washing the hair removes dirt from the hair and scalp. Also, if the hair is dense, then brush it beforehand so that it does not get tangled while shampooing. While shampooing, provide a relaxing scalp massage to stimulate circulation and promote a soothing experience for the client. Use your fingertips to massage the scalp in gentle circular motions. After applying the shampoo well on the scalp and hair, wash it with water. Rinse the hair thoroughly with warm water, ensuring that all the shampoo is completely removed. Pay attention to the nape of the neck and behind the ears to ensure no shampoo residue remains. Also, after washing as well as while washing the hair, do not run fingers in the hair again and again. It will lead to hair breakage. Depending on the client's hair type or level of product buildup, it may be necessary to repeat the shampooing process to achieve optimal cleanliness. If needed, apply a second round of shampoo and rinse again. After shampooing, it is essential to apply the right conditioner. While applying conditioner, keep in mind that it should be applied only on the hair and never on the scalp. Take small amount of conditioner, about a coin size, and rub it in your palms together to emulsify the conditioner. Spread evenly all through the hair. Leave it on for about 5 minutes to be absorbed by the hair. Wash the hair thoroughly with plain water to ensure all the conditioner is washed off clean. After washing the hair, first let the water drain from the hair itself and then wipe it slowly with a water-absorbent towel. Help the client sit up slowly and remove the towel or neck strip. Blot any excess water from their face and neck with a dry towel. Tie the hair with a clean towel and lead the client back to their styling station or seat. Now that you have learnt the procedure to shampoo the hair, it is important to know the necessity of shampooing. Shampooing helps to remove dirt, oil, sweat, and product buildup from the hair and scalp. Regular shampooing promotes scalp hygiene. The scalp naturally produces sebum, an oily substance that helps moisturize and protect the hair. However, excessive sebum production can lead to a greasy scalp, which may attract dirt and cause discomfort. Shampooing helps to regulate sebum production and maintain a healthy scalp. Shampooing helps to eliminate unpleasant odors that can occur due to sweat, excess oil, or environmental factors. By washing away these odor-causing substances, shampooing keeps the hair smelling fresh and clean. Shampooing is essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and hair. A clean scalp reduces the risk of scalp conditions like dandruff, itchiness, or inflammation. Clean hair is easier to style and manage. Shampooing removes excess oils and residue that can weigh down the hair, allowing it to have more volume, bounce, and flexibility. It provides a clean base for applying styling products and helps them perform optimally. Clean and refreshed hair can provide a sense of well-being and confidence. Clean hair often feels softer, smoother, and more manageable, leading to an improved overall hair experience. Let's recap the key points discussed. First, wash the hair with clean water. Take the right amount of shampoo and apply on the head. Rinse it with water. Apply conditioner and wash the hair with plain water. Dry the hair using a towel. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about the procedure of shampooing. See you in the next session.